In today's video, I will show you how to connect the Playful Rewards app to TikTok, and I'll also explain when this is possible and when it is not, so you do not waste your time. What you need to know first. Before we jump into the steps, there is something very important you should understand. Playful Rewards does not allow manual linking to TikTok, like logging in with your TikTok account whenever you want. You can only connect TikTok if Playful Rewards offers it as a reward task inside the app. How the connection works. Here's how it works step by step. First, open the Playful Rewards app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Go to the offers or available tasks section. Scroll through the list and check if there is a TikTok related reward, like following an account, watching videos, or completing a TikTok action. If you see a TikTok offer, tap on it and follow the on screen instructions. Once you do that, the app will automatically link TikTok for that specific task. There is nothing extra you need to set up. What if you do not see a TikTok option? If you do not see a TikTok option or you do not see any TikTok offers, then unfortunately you cannot connect Playful Rewards to TikTok at that time. There is no manual setting and no workaround. Most of the time, Playful Rewards focuses more on games and app-based tasks, so TikTok rewards may not always be available. So to sum it up, connecting Playful Rewards to TikTok is easy, but only if the option is offered inside the app. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.